Patenting 3D printing innovations in the automotive sector requires specialized knowledge. Here's what you need to know to protect your intellectual property. The integration of 3D printing into automotive manufacturing is accelerating, making strong intellectual property protection crucial for innovators in this space. Patenting in this field presents unique challenges, particularly in clearly defining what aspects of the innovation are novel and non-obvious, especially in crowded technological areas. Generally, 3D printing innovations can fall into three main categories for patent protection. The first area is the process itself, covering new additive manufacturing methods or techniques used to create automotive parts. Secondly, unique materials and compounds developed specifically for 3D printed automotive applications are ripe for patent protection. Thirdly, patents can cover the resulting 3D printed automotive part, focusing on its novel structure, geometry, or functional properties. Protecting the 3D printing process involves securing method claims that detail the specific steps and parameters of your additive manufacturing innovation. These claims should focus on specific processing parameters, material feed rates, temperature controls, and other steps that make your method unique and advantageous. When patenting the product, you focus on the physical outcome of the 3D printing, especially features that couldn't be achieved with traditional manufacturing. Utility claims for the product focus on the novel structure, material composition, or functional properties directly enabled by the 3D printing process. For the visual and non-functional appearance of a 3D printed part, consider filing a design patent to protect its aesthetic features. Automotive inventors must navigate the complexities of process claims versus product claims and the challenge of prior art. It is vital to clearly define the scope of your claims. Do you want to protect the way you make it, the thing you make, or both? Given the rapid development in 3D printing, a thorough prior art search is essential to ensure your innovation is truly novel and patentable. Protecting your 3D printing innovations in the automotive industry is complex, but highly rewarding if done correctly. Focus on protecting the process, the unique product, and leveraging design patents for aesthetic protection to secure your innovations.